After posting this video, I receive a comment on to explain this tutorial. So this is the tutorial video. So let's get started. Just open the PowerPoint. You can create this animation very beautifully in just PowerPoint. Also, this is going to be work in all of the PowerPoint version. So just open PowerPoint and right click on slide and change this layout to black. Now go design tab, format background, and we are going to give here color black. Now we are going to write some text. Just click insert text box and make it bigger like this. Now type the text LET. Let's go on the format, give text white color to make it visible. Now from here you can give any of the font style which you want. So I would like to have here elephant and 199 font size because it should be look bigger to make it more beautiful. Now go on the align center, align middle. If this is unwanted, you can clear this. Yes. Again align center, align middle. Now make it duplicate. To make any slide duplicate, you can just hold that slide. Now press Ctrl D. Now again select it and type let's get. Again Ctrl D. Started. 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 Make it fit. Select it. On the format, align center and align middle. Now our trick start. Just press Ctrl D again. Just clear this text. Now go on the insert tab and select a shape looking like star like this. Now go on the format tab, give it center align and then middle align. In shape fill you have to select white. Make it duplicate again and go on the 4th number style. Now if you hold this and make it bigger, it will work like this. But here is the yellow button or box you can say, which if you just decrease this star shape is going to be changed. As you can see, it's looking like an animation. We can see here a blue line just because we have not removed the outline, so no outline. Yes, now no line will be there like this. So you have to do very small, it is even not there, totally invisible we have to create. Now okay, now go on the slide number 5th. Just Ctrl D this and just delete it. It was to explain you. Now here just select this slide. Now hold this button and make it little bit bigger like this. Now just make it again Ctrl D and duplicate. Now again make it little bit bigger. You have to follow this process again and again, and every time make it little bit bigger, not too much. The more perfectly you do, the more beautiful it will look and the more realistic it will. So do this very patiently and calmly. So let's do it very quickly. I'm just forwarding the video to not make you bored. Here you can see our star shape is changing slightly, making bigger and bigger, and this will create a beautiful animation on the final result. It's looking like currently a star. Oh no, just go on the format tab, align center, because I just by mistakenly change it little bit position, because if the position is changed then it will not look proper. Again make it bigger. Currently you can see we have created more than 19 slides, total 20, and more are going to be created. And if you are not able to create it, then you can just download this from the given link in the description. I have given you the presentation exact which I use for free. Just go on that link and enjoy. Just make it bigger again. Now you can see the star is just changing its shape. Now it will be last. Yes. Now just make it Ctrl D again, delete this shape, go on the design tab. Now give it white color because we are going to add here some font. Just select this, comment, Just type COMMENT comment, some exclamation mark to make it more beautiful. Font, I would like to have Arial black. You can choose according to you, and this will be best. Comment. Yeah. Now some different color like text fill, let it be white, and text outline will be blue to make it more beautiful. Center align, you can change the color according to you. I like this. If it is bold, it will look more beautiful, I think so. So let's select and make it bold. Now looking better. It's time to play this whole presentation. So just go on the first slide, and if you want to play presentation, then just hold your shift button and press shift plus F5. Now you can start your presentation by holding that right arrow. So let's get started. Here you can see our presentation is started without giving any animation. It's looking like a realistic animation, and if you make it fast, it will look more better. I hope you like this video. If you want more such video, then let me know in the comment section. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.